happening here?
Squad leader, I can't wait to make it home to my wife and kid.
Oh man, me too. Run into an enemy armored vehicle that obliterates us. That would just be tragic.
You think they'll touch tips with us?
Ships?
Tips!
Oh, yeah. I do love touching tips.
Guys, I like our squad leader.
I like you too. He's just as
Yeah, he is. Except he knows how to. Oh god! Enemy track to our west.
You turn. Fuck that.
There's another one. Fuck me, fuck me, fuck me. Don't see us. We're going north south.
Oh god, he's right there! Get us out of here! Holy shit, he's right there! He's chasing! He's chasing!
We drove right into one.
I'm so sorry, man.
Still doesn't have a kit, dude. Oh shit, he jumped. Who jumped?
Who fell out? We lost one! He jumped! Where was your troop strap at?
He didn't do his email brief, that's why he fell out. That's the fucking
What's our catch-up speed to the nearest helicopter? Oh, we're so fucking dead. We are out in the open. We are.
Oh, the vehicles are south, we're good.
So what about that track right there to the north? Dude, he's flying. He's flying us like in it. Oh my god, this is behind.
That's friendly, it's friendly. You're
Oh
good.
shit, I was not watching.
Oh my god.
Trigger hit
Okay.
I was waiting for a crash.
I don't see it.
Get your rocket out, dude.
It landed right behind that rock over there.
For later, we'll come back to it.
Yeah.
Just need to get a radio, or we're gonna clear out this village in front of us. For those of y'all dead, just hold your spawn. I'll get you out of here soon.
I'll be the guinea pig.
Hell of a guy. My little guinea.
Oh shit! Right in front of us! In the village! In the village! Vehicle in the fucking village!
Push that, y'all. Push that. We need a rearm off of 10. Do it.
Right on the other side, there's a vehicle.
Get some shit.
I don't know if it was a. Oh shit! Fuck 10! What the hell? You fucking asshole, Paco!
We knew they were trigger happy.
Yeah, they did shoot at our heli. Sorry, I was a bit east.
Pierce on what
Try to take an approach where you can get to the village without getting shot by that tank.
Cover me! Cover me! I'm taking the shot!
Yeah, she had you run.
Go for his turret.
No, Ram should have shot his fucking rocket.
Okay, he's moving right now.
Hit!
Good hit. He's moving south right now.
Are you a rifleman? Oh, you can't get ammo,
Be on
can
my
you?
mark.
No, I'm a fool. Sorry.
Shit.
Yeah, good call.
Was it station at all where he was sitting a second ago?
He's still sitting next to the building, yeah.
Oh, he has for
We mark over here. There's another.
Oh shit, he's moving now, he's moving now.
You got a hat?
I'll hear you.
Getting a few other shovels here, that'd be nice.
vehicle here. Oh no.
They just put a radio down and dipped?
Well, dude, that heli was resupplying.
I don't think they did. I think there was just a crewman and maybe a vehicle, and they just dipped out. If you got their turret, dude, there's nothing they can do. They gotta leave.
Work together here. Try to push the woods on the south.
Yeah, check out the optics at least.
For now, cover the radio.
Radio's dead.
Radio destroyed, radio destroyed.
Alright, cover that radio and the building around it.
Squid time.
the squid time.
Hear an EMP of some sort rolling from the north.
Yep, that's a track. Yep. Yeah.
Yeah, Tom just disappeared.
Got a good shit. I got killed by a rally, so it may be a little longer for me to regroup with y'all, but they're taking radio, and I'm pretty sure this is next point, so hold here.
Yo, what?
Oh,
Hold what you got around here, y'all.
I hit the tank. I tracked the tank.
Good shit. Mark the tank accurately. I'm gonna get a command request on it.
Literally on Bravo observe. Hey, can you let 10 know I'm coming to get a fucking rocket from him? Unless he's gonna die if he gets any closer to it.
Bro,
I have ammo for you.
My dumbass. Okay, so there's.
Did I hurt you, Pierce, or no?
I think they gotta heal it. They gotta fucking repair that shit.
Yeah, I need ammo. I'm coming to you.
Yeah, come to Willow. Yeah,
No,
it's
we
moving
hit-
to you now.
we
10 is
hit it at
moving
the
to you.
same time with our
Rifleman,
last.
rearm off that vehicle as well, so you can throw out the lat kit with ammo.
I need to get a rocket. Hurry, that tank's tracked on the road.
At the same time, Ram. That was sick.
They're still hitting it.
I hit it again.
Nice. Guy got
Hey,
out.
it's optics or it's optics or dead.
Copy.
Fuck, what am I doing peeking that tank, man? I'm such an idiot.
I got the guy that jumped out to repair.
There's another one to the south.
Fuck me.
Another one rolling up. 10 might be fucking dead.
You gotta say it in, local. Oh,
10, there's another one to the south.
Blindly, dude, 'cause he's
I shot there's another one. There's a second one to the south. I just hit it again.
Anybody spawning at main?
We're being sneaky beaky like.
Got a nice good push over there. Damn.
I got eyes on 2 tanks to the southeast of radio tower. I just hit one on the gun.
Is that close?
Those are both accurate. Both accurate. They're both like the track vehicles we were fighting earlier. They're not tanks, but they're the track vehicles.
Guys behind us, same wall that
Commander to your left.
west. Rally's down, y'all. Just reinforce here if you need. Oh, sorry, man.
Commander's driving right into both tanks.
Other side of the wall. Carlo, other side.
Commander's fighting the tanks. Oh my god.
Enemies sneaking around y'all in the northwest. Be careful.
Man, I'm sorry. Friendly fire, man. It's kind of close quarters like this. The shit kind of crazy.
I hear fucking. Oh my god, there's so many dead people right now.
we're good. I'm bleeding, but we're good.
Dude, Commander tried fighting both fucking tanks, and he got waxed. Y'all had dudes see y'all southeast, but I took out one. I think a blueberry took out another. You're good. Yeah, you're good. You're good. Bitch ass.
I gotta run into the building.
If you spawn on the rally, you're gonna immediately be to your east on Bravo. Watch out.
What side are y'all on?
Canadians.
I somehow
There's
made
a guy in here.
Every squad is full.
Possible rally. TL's northeast. Check that tree line on move marker. I got fire team. I'll walk it by you.
Those dudes y'all are fighting behind the rock. I had the perfect flank. I just killed 2 of them.
Anybody have
The other ones ran off.
With ammo? I just died. On rally, if you give us fire team, come out to positions. I have ammo. Come out to the tower.
Are those enemy?
Alright, there's enemy next to our fucking hab. Enemy infantry between radio tower and
Rally's
Eagle
down.
Lower.
Spawn on me.
Hell yeah.
54 seconds.
Oh shit.
Right in front of me, Charlie Mark Rocket.
The Bravo and Charlie observed. There's probably a rally, by the way.
I'll try and push it.
Let's go, baby Ram. I'm coming.
We're gonna hold defense.
I've killed maybe 4 or 5 dudes over here.
No way, dude.
Motherfuckers.
that.
Yeah, it's more like.
Yeah.
We're on Bravo Zerv, they're across the road.
Yeah, trying to make some friends. Bravo Zev.
Alright, you probably got close enough later, Ram.
Dude, I'm literally I'm tapping dudes down. I've killed like at least 10 dudes over here.
Good job, dude.
We're drawing green lines all around.
This container.
Medic?
Take it, Harvey.
Oh, the ammo crate's gone.
Shit, he died.
How the fuck?
How the fuck did he die? Get inside the hab. Get inside the hab. We're not safe out here.
I got fucking lasered by that thing. South of the commander.
Dude, I found a little spot with a log and some rocks. I was fucking mowing them there.
Let's go. Let's go. Yo. Good job,
Eating
good
eight,
squad.
man. Hell yeah.
Dude, I was a snake in the grass. Oh my god, I hit the rotor!
Ram, can you bring our vehicle up?
I hit the rotor! I hit the rotor on enemy helicopter!
Ram, lower volume. We can't hear you.
Sorry, I got excited.